Hey play cousin, welcome back.
Want to forget you, but I can't. When it's good, I'm baby. When it's bad, I'm crazy. I don't know what it is lately. All I know is I ain't gonna keep this up. We can make it if we make it now.
Hey you guys, so I just got out the shower and I washed my hair with the Camille Rose Naturals Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse, the one that has castor and aniseed oil in it. And then this is what it looks like. I got this from Walmart. I don't remember how much it was, but I'll link everything down in the description box below. But I also use the Camille Rose Naturals conditioning custard and Moroccan pear, and it has Moroccan pear and cherry kernel oil in it. And then this is what this one looks like, which I also got from Walmart. Most of the things, everything that I got from here, I got from Walmart. If I didn't get it from Walmart, I got it from Amazon. So anyway, I washed my hair with that, but when I used the conditioning custard, I left a little bit in when I rinsed it out. So and so I have like a little bit of that left over in my hair, but it's not that much. And so this is my hair now. And I already like went ahead and brushed out everything with my paddle brush. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair in different sections, but before I blow dry it, I use this Pantene 3-Minute Miracle Repair and Protect cream, and this is what it looks like. I know you guys see these at Walmart. I think they're like $4 maybe. And then this is like the best hair polish. Hold on, let me wipe my hands because they're really sticky. I use this what is this? This is Fantasia hair polisher, a heat protector straightening serum, and it looks like this. I think that I got this from Walmart. I don't know how much it was. It was like maybe $6. I'm not really sure, but you don't need a lot of serum. I use like this much for my whole entire head, just for like when I'm going in and blow drying it, and you really want to get it on your ends. You really want to focus it on your roots and on your ends, just because that's the oldest part of your hair, so you don't really want that to be, you know, damaged and stuff when you're putting all this heat to it. I'm very messy when it comes to the way I section off my hair. This is the Conair Core Keeper in 1875 watts. I love this blow dryer. It was like maybe $16, maybe $15, I think. Yes, I do believe. Yeah, this is really how I get my hair silky. Yeah, Selena. This is how I get my hair silky straight at home without having to go to the shop. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this a thumbs up if you liked it. Like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.
Got me thinking like alright. If something just not right, no, nobody eat this right. No, nobody eat this right. Maybe that's why, I'm always trying to pick a fight when there's nothing I don't like about you. Cause you're so perfect. Everything you do is so perfect. Wake up in the morning so perfect.